welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you today's video because I'm going to be doing a wig try on. So I've bought a beautiful wig from UNICE, or UNICE, I don't know how to pronounce it, and we're going to be cutting the HD lace, dyeing the knots. We're going to be doing everything to try and make this wig look super natural. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Imen. I suffer from hair loss. I'm going to be literally doing everything to make this wig look super natural. And the reason why I haven't tried wigs on before is because they're so scary. Like the whole process, bleaching the knot, cutting the lace, all of that, laying it down, everything. Like that's why I've never done it historically on my channel before. But I've always wanted to try a wig, and I don't think there's anything wrong. Like if you are suffering from hair loss or if you wanted to try out a new look, then I think wigs are the way to go. The other reason why I really wanted to try this wig is because I will never know what it feels like to have long, luscious locks like this. Maybe one day, if you know, I'm lucky and I continue all my anti-hair loss home remedies, but it would be nice just for once to feel long, luscious locks. And I feel like we should normalize that, and it shouldn't be a taboo. Be like, oh my god, she's wearing a wig. Like, f it. If you want to wear a wig, wear a wig. I bought it from this brand called UNICE. This is their packaging. So let's begin with the unboxing. So it's very Christmassy. Christmas has just passed. It is a gift to myself. So these wigs are quite expensive. So this is the packaging for the wig. Let's take the wig out first. So I'll link exactly which wig this is and I'll put it up on screen now. This is she. She is, I think, 24 inches. It's HD lace. So I got HD lace because it's the closest to my skin. As in, out of all of the laces, it blends in with the skin the most. So if I just show you what the lace looks like on my hand, that you literally can't see it. Pretty awesome. And it has little baby hairs as well. Now, edges isn't really something that would look good on me, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna style this, but we're gonna try. It has a cap that looks like this, 3 clips, and then you've also got this little strap thing which helps to make it tighter on your head. It's a free part, which means you can part it anywhere. I actually originally got a middle parting, and I just don't think, with a middle parting, I just feel like it's easier to look like a wig. Whereas with the side parting, I think it'll be a lot easier to hide the fact that it's a wig. And also, as you can see, I always do my hair in a side parting. Like I would never do a middle parting. They also have some other goodies that they give you. We've got this necklace thing and this awful pendant, but you know, whatever. Comes with this headband. I don't actually know what this is. A headband. Let me know in the comments if you literally know what this is. It's got a bit of lace in the middle. Also have a wig cap, and then these terrible, joking, no, they actually are awful, lashes. I mean, like, am I meant to be wearing these out? They're actually so bad. So this wig is real human hair. So I'm gonna put this on my head and we're gonna cut the lace. So I'm gonna now braid my hair just so it lays flat when I put the wig on. So I don't want to, my hair's very greasy, I'm very sorry. Oh my gosh. So that when it lays flat on my head, it doesn't look like I've got like hair underneath. Not that I've got a lot of hair anyway, but ta-da! Special way to put it on, but I'm just literally just gonna do this. So this is what she looks like without any cutting of the lace, or like even washing her, or straightening her, or dyeing the knots. So I'm so excited to do the dyeing the knots bit because it's gonna, you see how like the hairline just looks like black, like this is my forehead and then it's like black, and the knots, which is the little things that are there, they're black obviously because the hair is black. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to dye those knots so that it looks like it's growing out of my scalp rather than it looking just so like cut like that. So first we're going to cut the lace. So I have cut the lace. Didn't go quite to plan. I would definitely recommend you just keeping it on your head, but whatever, we're here now. So this is what it looks like now that I've cut the lace. And I got rid of the baby hairs because I don't want to lay edges down. I have no clue how to do it, and I just think it would look a bit silly on me. So I kind of cut them, but I cut too much on the lace here, which is absolute disaster, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna try and make this like a glueless wig. So it's gonna be like this. So I'm wrapping this with foil just to keep in the heat when you dye the knots, especially when you're using bleach peroxide. It helps to lift the color quicker. You want to be careful to not dye the actual hair. You just want to dye the knots because the whole point is to make it look like the knots are growing out of your scalp. Is High Lift Powder Bleach and a 30 volume. So you want to get a 30. Don't get any higher than 30 because that's for the professionals. So I just read somewhere just to always get 30. Interesting that it's blue. So this one says it's for medium to brown hair, and obviously this is black, but because it's just the knot, I'm hoping it's gonna be alright. I feel like it's going into my nose. Stop. Ooh, pretty. It's a lovely blue colour. I hope this doesn't colour the wig blue. This blonde, yeah. Oh my god, it actually stinks. Wow, look at that. Wonderful. Give that a good... I'm gonna apply it now. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. So I've covered all of it. The sides I've kind of left, like the sides are not that important. It's more just like the top bit. So now we're gonna cover it and leave it that for about half an hour. We're gonna check it every 10 minutes just to make sure how the color is and what it's looking like. So I'll see you guys in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been like an hour and 20 minutes. It's not exactly the color I would like. It looks quite orange, but we're gonna rinse it off and see what happens. So I also bought this Provo shampoo. This is like a brightening shampoo that helps to neutralize the brassy tones because we don't want it to look brassy. We kind of want it to look blonde or kind of white, so it looks like it's coming out of the scalp. First, start by just scraping the excess. I'm a bit nervous because this doesn't look very good. Make sure that I'm basically rinsing off peroxide down like so. Just gonna rinse it off like that. Get the shampoo, put it all around. Really should be using gloves, guys. Just don't follow what I'm doing. I definitely feel like this might need another application. First look at the netting. So I'm just having a look now. It looks quite orange and brassy, which is obviously not what we want. It's an improvement, so you can at least see that it can see the lace more natural. I reckon I need to do it one more time. I think the darker the wig, you might need to do a few applications. If you have like a brown wig, then this is perfect. A good first go at it, I think. So I'm gonna let this air dry now and then see what it looks like once it's dried. Probably need another application of this blonde dye, but yeah, we'll see. So I really messed up on this wig. It's actually been about 3 weeks since the last video that I shot, which was me rinsing out the dye. I've been really reluctant to make this ending of this video because I fucked up. I really messed up and I don't know what I've done. The wig is meant to look like this. Yeah, like beautiful. And this is what it looks like. So it actually looked way worse. I spent the last couple of hours just straightening it, taking every little strand and just trying to straighten it. Here's a picture of me holding the wig while my mom's straightening it, helping me as well. This wig was an ordeal. I just can't believe it because, okay, first thing, let's talk about the lace. Because I cut too much of the lace. You can't see it right now, but well, obviously you can't see it because I've cut all the lace off, but it made it really difficult for it to like sit on my head and like for the hair to go backwards. It just like kind of came to the front. With that in mind, I just feel like when you're doing the lace, you've got to be so careful, and I don't know why I didn't do it while it was on my head. Like I was just freaking out. But the way to do it is you're supposed to cut in the middle and then go, and then cut one here, and then go like that. I just like took it off my head and just cut it off. I think I took too much because I wanted to get rid of the baby hairs, but that was a really bad decision. decision. The other thing is that it's really like dense. The video of, and I got the same wig as this girl who, she just does it so amazingly, like so effortless, and I'm there like, I got the same wig, but it's so like dense that it just makes it look really poofy. And the other thing is the cap's really big, and you can't get different size caps. It's like this. I'm squeezing it. You can't really see. But it's like a bag on my head. Like the cap is really big, which doesn't help with this. And then the other thing is that I bought a hot comb from Amazon. So all the things that I've seen, they like all of the tutorials is to use a hot comb. So I bought one from Amazon. It had okay reviews. I'm sending this back. It literally doesn't get hot. The hottest, it's supposed to go up to 210. It literally feels like 20 degrees. I'm not even lying. So this is being sent back. This whole ordeal has been a disaster. If anyone knows any like wig gurus or people that can fix broken wigs, because I need it in London, please tell me. Considering all of that, I've also made it ginger when dyeing the knot, and also made it a little bit red because the blonde dye went on it. Having said that, I mean, could I go out like this? I don't know. Tell me, let me know in the comment if it's okay. I don't know. I mean, the more I look at it, the more it's okay, but it is a really nice wig, and I just feel like I've just put £300 down the drain. I'm so upset. You don't understand. But this is what it looks like from behind. I do feel like a new woman in this wig, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just not cut out for all the effort that goes into doing wig installs, as you can see, and it's not secure on my head. I feel like kind of like the girl from The Ring. So maybe I'll keep this wig for Halloween, I don't know. However, I am actually going to be doing a review of a wig that doesn't require plucking the hairline, dyeing the knots, all of that. I'm actually going to be doing in the next week. So stay tuned for that video because it's going to be a lot easier. I'm not going to mess it up, fingers crossed. For anyone like me who has zero experience and also is just will never learn, and it's just too difficult, then that's the tutorial for you. But this is it. Dun, dun, dun. Damn! Wow, the difference, like, is insane. The difference is insane, I'm not gonna lie. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other on hauls and boxing videos in the playlist that's coming up right now. See you later, peace.